In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Lookup and Rollup fields. Let's start with what these fields are and when to use them. Lookup fields are the easiest way to pull information from a linked table into the table you're working in. They're perfect when you want to see related details at a glance, like a customer's email on an order. Rollup fields go a step further and summarize values across multiple linked records, such as totaling order amounts or calculating an average. Before you begin, make sure your tables are linked. A common setup is an orders table linked to a customers table. That linked record connection is what allows lookup and rollup fields to do their job. To create a lookup field, open your parent table, like orders. Add a new field and choose lookup. First, select the linked record field, for example, the customer field that connects this order to a customer. Next, choose which specific field from the linked table you want to fetch, such as email. Save the field. You'll see the related information appear automatically for each record. The best part is that it updates in real time. If the source email changes in the customers table, your orders table reflects the update immediately. This is great for showing contact info, product details, or project names without duplicating data or risking inconsistencies. If multiple records are linked to one record, the lookup will display all matching values, which can be helpful when there are several related items. Now let's use a rollup field to summarize data. In your parent table, add a new field and choose rollup. Select the linked record field, such as orders, when you're summarizing on a customer's record. Then choose the field to summarize, like order amount. In the formula box, enter sum values to total all linked order amounts, or use average values if you want the mean instead. Save the field. You'll immediately see a calculated result for each record, and it will stay current as new linked records are added or amounts change. Rollup is ideal for totals, averages, and other aggregations that help you monitor performance or get quick insights without building complex reports. A quick tip for accuracy: make sure the field you're summarizing is a numeric type, such as a number or currency, so the rollup can calculate correctly. If you see blanks or unexpected results, check that the records are properly linked and that the source fields contain valid data. Use lookup when you need to display reference details, and switch to rollup when you need computed summaries. With both in your toolkit, you'll keep your base tidy, consistent, and powerful.